Imagine someone suddenly insults you. Your heart starts racing. Your hands begin to shake. Your voice doesn't sound the same. And for a moment, you wonder, why is my body betraying me? Most people think shaking means they're weak, but psychology says the exact opposite. In fact, your body is doing something incredible that has helped humans survive for thousands of years. By the end of this video, you'll never look at shaking the same way again. The moment your brain senses danger, whether it's a physical fight or just a heated argument, it switches into survival mode. A small part of your brain called the amygdala acts like an emergency alarm. It doesn't stop to think. It doesn't ask questions. It simply sends one powerful message. We're in danger. Prepare for survival. Within seconds, your body releases adrenaline. This single hormone changes everything. Your heartbeat becomes faster. Your breathing speeds up. Your eyes become more focused. More blood rushes toward your muscles. Your brain is preparing you to either fight the threat or escape from it. Psychologists call this the fight or flight response. It's one of the oldest survival systems built into every human being. But here's the question most people never ask. If your body is becoming stronger, then why does it start shaking? The answer is surprisingly simple. Adrenaline fills your muscles with more energy than they can immediately use. Think of it like plugging too much electricity into a machine. The extra energy has nowhere to go. That creates tiny, rapid muscle contractions. And that's exactly what we experience as shaking. In other words, your body isn't losing control. It's preparing for maximum performance. This is why even trained soldiers, professional athletes, police officers, and experienced fighters can still shake during stressful moments. Not because they're weak, but because they're human. The stronger the survival response, the more noticeable the shaking can become. Here's something even more interesting. Have you ever noticed that your body sometimes keeps shaking even after the argument is over? That's because your brain can't switch off adrenaline instantly. Your nervous system needs a few minutes to realize that the danger has passed. Until then, your heart keeps beating fast, your muscles stay tense, and your hands may continue to tremble. It's simply your body returning to normal. So the next time your hands shake during an argument, don't tell yourself, "I'm scared." Tell yourself, "My survival system has just been activated." Your body isn't trying to embarrass you. It's trying to protect you. And sometimes, what feels like fear is actually millions of years of human evolution working exactly as it was designed. If you enjoyed learning the hidden psychology behind human behavior, subscribe to Think with Milo. Because the more you understand your brain, the more you understand yourself.